This is Jerusalem's garbage. A year and a half ago, all of it used to go to landfill. Now, over half is recycled.
Let's take a look behind the scenes at Israel's recycling revolution.
The GreenNet waste separation plant in Jerusalem's Atarot industrial park is among the largest in the world and the most technologically sophisticated. 1,500 tons of garbage arrive here every day and are separated into different materials for recycling in 5 minutes flat. Here's how it works. Every day, the Jerusalem metropolitan area collects 250 trucks full of garbage and pays GreenNet to take it off its hands for less than the cost of sending it to landfill. First, the trucks arrive and are weighed before tipping the garbage into an 8-meter deep pit. That waste is then transferred using a huge claw onto a conveyor belt, all operated by just one employee with a joystick. And it doesn't actually smell too bad in here, because a huge air ventilator circulates the rancid air 6 times an hour. That waste enters a machine with spikes to rip the bags open and enters this monster, the trommel. Here, the revolving drum sifts the waste by size, dropping it onto further conveyor belts through different sized holes. Magnets pick up the metals, and special optical sensors then work out what the rest of the rubbish is, using puffs of air to blow plastics and paper off the conveyor and onto the right path. Only 5 minutes after entering the facility, the waste is separated into metals, plastics and paper, packed up and loaded onto trucks to be sent to recycling plants, mostly abroad because Israeli facilities can't cope with the dramatic increase in recyclable material. The municipality saves money on landfill costs, GreenNet makes some business, and the environment is all the cleaner. This plant, owned by the Yacovi brothers YSB group, was opened last year at a cost of 85 million shekels. It's not yet profitable. For that, it needs to increase the percentage of the waste it salvages to sell to recycling plants. GreenNet is aiming for 0% waste, which means building a waste-to-energy plant, although that's a way off. CEO Ofer Bogin also hopes to build more facilities in Israel.
Why doesn't every city in Israel set up a plant like this?
Basically, bureaucracy. We are the first one. Everyone now see the advantage. I assume that it's a process. It will take a few years, but several other plants will be built in Israel.
Smelling like the inside of a garbage bag, this is Eylon Aslan-Levy for IBA News.